What's up? Hope you're all doing well. I'm Just.that.officer. Welcome to the channel. This is what I like to call Cop Reacts. These are videos where I watch them for the first time and I give you my reaction as a police officer. So first time here, thanks for visiting. If you're returning, what's up everybody? Thank you for coming back. And yeah, we're gonna get into this. So apparently things have been blowing up and cops have been playing firefighters lately, so we need to check out these videos and see what the heck is going on. So this incident happened on Baltimore County. From what I know, this guy has a history of being a little bit crazy. A bunch of neighbors have said they have several complaints to like their HOA and everything on this guy for just, you know, blowing things up in his yard or being all kinds of crazy and basically saying that the government is harassing him and all that stuff. So he sounds like he's a little bit schizophrenic or something like that. But apparently he gets into some kind of gunfight with law enforcement and blows his own house up. So I don't know, I haven't seen it yet, so let's just check it out. Oh, we're gonna need these.
Wait a minute. A house exploded? Yes. Okay, what's the address? We don't know. Okay, what's the closest intersection?
Fairbrooke and Johnny Cake Road.
What street is the house on?
Berry.
So basically a bunch of people are calling 911 and saying that they're hearing screaming and all this stuff. And all of a sudden somebody calls 911 and says a house just blew up. So they're getting these 911 calls in, and then let's see what happens when they get there.
House fully engulfed. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Drop the gun, drop the gun, drop the gun! Go, 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 go! Move in, move in! DC!
Ooh.
26, shots fired, subject down.
10-4, shots fired, subject down. 642,
Maury and Kelly's. One subject down.
subject down, 10-3 on the channel, give them an insurance, 644, all units stand by.
You pass him. Come on, quick. Back.
Y'all, he get away.
He still got the gun. Push forward. Show me your hands. Hands. Pull him out. Grab his hand. Pull him out. I'm coming. Have medics at 2 subjects down.
Alright, more shots fired. 26, where are you at? Shots fired.
26, shots fired, subject down.
10-4, shots fired, subject down. Time is 644. What's your exact location? Subject down, 10-3 on the channel. Give them an insurance, 644. All units stand by.
Where's it? Where? Red truck! me your hand! Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Pull him out! Grab his hand! Pull him out! Pull him out! I got him! Watch him! Pull him! Pull him! Go!
Subject down, unless it's 42 to an address. Alright, more shots fired.
Hold over! Over! Hey, we got three down! Hey, we got three down!
Well, that was crazy. What a hectic scene to be going to. You get there, house is on fire, shit's sparking outside, and you got some guy with a gun hiding behind the car out there. You got your partner on the radio yelling, hey, shots fired, and he says gunman down. I mean, did you see that shot though? He had a nice, good, took his time, took a nice solid shot at that guy, and he did drop him. I saw him actually drop. I guess he kept fighting. I was trying to see in the video, it was kind of hard to see, but it looked like he was moving, like still up, trying to fight. So that was why they were laying rounds down. Looks like most of those rounds probably didn't actually hit. It's a pretty crazy scene. And with that being said, in this incident, I think that the officers were, heightened and everything, but you got to be careful of your surroundings. There was, time when they were shooting, they get into like a little gun match, but they were kind of out and exposed and right next to each other. I mean, one officer was shooting like right next to another officer's head. So you got to be careful in those kind of situations, but it is a heightened situation, and hindsight's 20/20. Just trying to remember to get to that cover in those kind of situations and don't leave yourself exposed. If you would have had a high power rifle or something like that with many rounds, it could have been a lot worse for the officers, but luckily no officer got hurt. Sadly, he actually ended up killing 3 other people, gunshot wounds and stab wounds. They found a knife near him, his handgun, and several explosives in the home or in the vehicle or somewhere around there that survived the explosion, obviously. But yeah, blew up his own house and went freaking crazy. And yeah, this is the result. But they got there, they handled business. It got a little crazy when some of the patrol cars came in and were like right in front of that guy, and he's like, oh, get out of there. I mean, you're right in the fire zone. But being in a hectic scene like that, you don't know what the heck you're rolling up onto. So that's another thing you gotta remember is you see fire explosion, you hear officer on radio say that the shots fired and stuff, you might want to park a little further back and then walk your way up or run your way up. But don't pull your patrol car right in front of the fire. Like, come on. All right, guys, here's the second video of law enforcement officers handling a fire-related incident. This one, they actually pull somebody out of a vehicle, which is pretty cool. So basically, this guy's passed out behind the wheel. I think they get calls about him passed out behind the wheel, just revving the engine. So something is going on here. It sounds like it's something medical. Ends up being something medical, ends up basically having a seizure. But yeah, so it looks like he probably just revved it so much that it blew the engine up or something and somehow caught the vehicle on fire. But let's see what happened.
Get the extinguisher. Hey, man. Woo. Come on. Hit it. Come on, man. Come on. Get out. Help me get him real quick. Come on out. Pull. Come on. Turn him over. He's having a seizure. 4-4, we got one now. He's having a seizure. We need EMS in 1018. We're not gonna do anything with it. Hey, get everyone away from me. Hey, help me put him over there. We'll get away from the fire. 1, 2, 3. Here. You're okay. Okay, buddy? You're okay. You're good.
Alright, so more cops playing firefighter. I mean, who says you need to go to fire school? All right? Job well done, boys. Doing all the dirty work and then letting the second responders roll up when the scene is secure to clean up all the mess. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. If you did, smash that like button. Leave me some comments down below. I love chatting with you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.